Oh my god. So, oh, thank God for waking me up this morning. I only have 3 classes today. My first teacher, he don't even get into class until like 45 minutes in. Should I go to that class or should I just keep sleeping because I'm tired? Okay. Now, well, my friend has the notes.
Wrong. Do not follow my example. Get your butt up.
What's up, y'all?
Who else watches YouTube videos as soon as they get up? Is that just me? Or am I just, I don't know.
What's up, guys? We are in protective styling mode. I told you I was going to be doing a lot more protective styles this winter. I've lost interest. Yep. Yeah.
Literally wasting time because I can, I guess. I don't know.
Okay. Ooh, I ain't got no bra on, y'all, so because that's how I'm keeping this video real, okay? My wig is over there. My bonnet is half off because this is the reality of this. Like, I do not wake up looking like you know how everybody wakes up in their video. Oh my god. Ooh, good morning, guys. Not here. My freaking, I look like the peanut genome off of Proud Family, right? I'm Cashew. So and I made some popcorn last night. I didn't finish it. I'm probably just gonna give it to my mom. Anyways, let's get this video going. I do have 3 classes today. As you can see, I'm an at-home college student. This is our apartment. So therefore, I'm at home with my mother. So yeah, I'm 19 years old, you know. So yeah, let's get this real video started. Let me put some pants on because I don't want to flash you guys. All right, guys, so now comes me eating because that's what I do. When I get up, I do not go straight to the bathroom and brush my teeth because I feel like if you brush your teeth and then you go eat, like, you're defeating the purpose. Am I the only one that feels that way? Like, you're kind of making your breath stink after you just brush your teeth. I don't know. That's just how I feel. Looks like, wait, is this sausage? Okay, so we do have some eggs in here, but we don't have any bread. So, y'all know the movie Friday? The scene where Craig and Smokey was talking about how they don't ever have anything that matches.
What? I ain't got no sugar. You ain't got no sugar? Damn! Y'all ain't never got 2 things that match. Either y'all got Kool-Aid, no sugar, peanut butter, no jelly, ham, no burger. Damn!
That's how I feel. So we're gonna go with some Cheerios! Okay. Okay. So, all right, guys, so this is the bathroom setting. First, I typically go and, you know, use the bathroom. You know, I didn't want to show that because who wants to see that, you know? Excuse the bathroom, the light noise. I have one of those bathrooms that makes the noise when you turn the light on. I hate that, but bear with me. I'm probably just gonna speed right through this video anyways, so yeah. Alright guys, so here comes the getting glam part. I just like took all my braids out and cleaned my hair last night, and I just kind of threw it up in my bonnet, you know what I'm saying? So the shrinkage is real, everything is just real because yeah, it's just kind of here, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair today. Always listen to music. Where's my music at?
I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tapped.
Alright guys, so I've already done my brows. If you would like to see how I do my brows, I will leave a link in the description box to my updated eyebrow tutorial. So it's more it's more in depth, and you guys will see how I do my eyebrows and everything like that. Sometimes if I'm feeling lazy or I just don't feel like putting on makeup, it's a rainy day, I don't really care, I'll just leave my face like this for class. But I have some things to do after this, and also on a regular basis, let's be real, I like to look really snatched. So I don't keep things extremely natural. I wear foundation, I wear concealer, sometimes yeah. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera cut off because I've been having to switch batteries back and forth, charge it a little bit and switch it in, charge it a little bit and switch it, because my batteries keep on dying. So yeah. Anyways, all I did was just put on the rest of my highlighter. It's a Milani highlighter. Put some brown lip liner on, or eyeliner, whatever, and then some clear gloss on top and rubbed it in. Now it's time to put my clothes on in 1, 2, 3. All right guys, so I just put on, like, you know, a cute little t-shirt dress, you know, and yeah, right about now, you guys, I'd be on my way to class. Like I said, I don't necessarily have any class today, but let's just make it look like we're about to go to class or something. Let's make this thing look like we're about to do this. Okay, I'm going to class now, Mom. Bye. What? Mom, clearly the camera is not even facing you. I'm going to class now. Bye. Bye. Ooh, it's cold out here. Ooh. Anyways. All right, guys. As you can see, I'm not going to class, but thank you guys so much once again for watching the video. I enjoyed my college morning routine. Get ready with me because this is as real as it gets. Okay, like this is what I do, and I don't wake up looking like an angel. Anyways, You guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not hesitate to subscribe to the fam. I'll wait, you know, I'll wait for a few seconds for you to subscribe because it's free. Share that too. Thank you guys once again so much for watching this video. I love you all. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.